श्री सिद्धीसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धीसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धीसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्री सिद्धीसुरीश्वर सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Pranam. Welcome to the 5th episode of Bapji, the divinity that lives on. This is a story of a man who comes from a simple middle-class family and believes that there is nothing special about his personality. A plain-looking man with a simple family, normal education and ordinary devotion. With his modest job, he felt that he was unable to fulfill every need of the family. Hence, in 2017, he gathered some money and started a small business. With an aim to thrive in the business, he tried everything possible under the sun, but failed miserably. One day, he shared his concerns with his Kalyan Mitra or spiritual friend. At the same time, this person also shared that he did not want to do any religious rites or rituals for materialistic favors. The friend told him to visit the shrine of Bapji Dada at Pankaj Society and put forth all his concerns at Dada's divine feet. This person, who had never heard of Dada before, somehow went to the temple the very next day. As soon as he saw Dada's idol, something within him changed. He paid his respects to the Maharaj Sahib, who at the time resided in the Upashray. From the Maharaj Sahib, this man heard the life story of Dada and understood how absolute surrender can result in unbelievable miracles. Somehow, this person felt a strong connection to Dada and decided to surrender to him. With utmost devotion, he started worshipping Dada every day. Like a child, he started putting forth his desires one after the other, and like a mother, Dada fulfilled everything he asked for. 2 years passed and his business achieved new heights. In 2009, with the grace of Dada, he received a large work order of about 90 lakhs in the Sanathal area of Ahmedabad. It was the biggest project of his life. However, he hesitated to take it because the client was an ill-reputed, short-tempered man. In the end, after much contemplation, he took on the project and asked Dada to help him through it. Mind you, in such projects it is very difficult to get the licensing done. He had heard cases where people had to visit numerous times to get a simple paper approved. However, due to Dada's immense blessings, he was successful in getting the work done in the very first visit itself. Though the visit was successful, he was unable to receive the license because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Months passed and eventually, as expected, the client lost his patience. A short-tempered man, he lost his cool because of the delay in license and therefore the delay in work. In August, this man received murder threats. He also received a threat from the crime branch. He knew only one way to get out of the mess. He went to Dada and begged him to save him. He told Dada that if he would be unable to get the license within a week, he shall be doomed. What happened next was unbelievable. The government officer who was on leave came back the very next day and at 9 in the night, he approved the license. The man says that how that officer suddenly resumed work or why he approved his license on an urgent basis will be forever unknown to them. Only Dada knows how to create such miraculous events. Today he says he only knows one thing. If we absolutely surrender to Dada and believe with our entire heart that he exists, There is nothing that our Dada will not help us achieve. He will manifest every desire, materialistic or spiritual, that we put in front of him. He most definitely will. The love of a guru is deeper than the deepest oceans. All we need to know is to have faith and take the leap. Om Shri Siddhi Sureshwar Sadgurubhyo Namaha.